Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TXT files. First, understand that a TXT file is a simple text document, storing only plain text without any fancy formatting. To create one, simply right-click in any folder, choose New, then Text Document. Once open, you can start typing immediately, delete characters, or select text just like in any basic editor. It's the simplest way to store written information. Opening a TXT file is straightforward. Default programs like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac handle them perfectly. Within the file, you can easily copy text using Ctrl+C, paste with Ctrl+V, and cut with Ctrl+X. When you're done editing, remember to save your work. Just press Ctrl+S or go to the File menu and select Save to keep your updates. Beyond basic notes, TXT files are surprisingly versatile. Many developers use them for writing simple code, like batch scripts or configuration files, due to their plain text nature. You can also easily convert a TXT file into other formats, such as PDF or DocX, using various free online converters or even a word processing application. For larger tasks, command line tools can help you manage and modify many TXT files at once. TXT files are perfect for organizing your thoughts, whether it's a daily to-do list, a grocery list, or just quick notes. Their universal compatibility means you can share plain text information effortlessly across different devices and operating systems without worrying about formatting problems. Plus, for staying refreshed while you work, check out the Oala water bottle. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.